Hey there, hello. I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how to access the members section or the account section of eGardenGo. And there's two different things I want to highlight. The process is the same in terms of getting access to the products that you purchased or are have access to by being a member. The process for logging in and getting there is the same. So we would start here. The page URL is called My Account. So you can access that by just clicking up in the topmost most upper corner, and I've done that. And so here I am, and I'm going to be logging in, and let's go ahead and do that. Before I do that, though, I do want to say, if for whatever reason you don't recall setting up an account, or you don't remember what your password is, then you can just initiate a password reset by pushing this button right here. And matter of fact, let me just do that. And then you'll do the email address. It's important to use the email address that you have used for any business that you have done with eGardenGo. So it's where you're getting your email newsletter on Saturdays, or it's the email that you submitted when you made a purchase. So I don't need to do that, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to my account page again, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once I get in, I'm first going to presume that I'm a member, and so I wanted to talk through that first. As a member, you'll probably the most efficient way to access your materials is just to go to the Member Perks tab here, and then you're going to see all of the events that you have access to, and you see the most recent one there on the top. And so our most recent one was the presentation that I did on the January 19th. And basically you just, once you're in, you just click this and you're going to be taken to the replay. Now it's the same if you don't happen to be a member, but you purchased access to the presentation, you would access it by going to My Events. Because I'm a member or signed in as a member, I'm not necessarily seeing it there. And I'll mention on an aside that if you have purchased any planting plans or any product downloads, then you would see them here as well. All right, so so now I'm back and I'm a member. So I'm just going to go, and I am going to go to the most recent presentation, and there I am. I can watch it right here in this browser. It's the replay of the presentation from January 19th. So that was made available to members and then any paying guests. I hope that this is helpful and clears up any questions that you may have in terms of getting access to events, replays, or products that you have purchased.